When creating a dump image of our file system, we will first want to run a file system check on it. Let's do this for /div/vgraid/lvraid. Make sure it is not mounted first. Type in sudo space umount space /div/vgraid/lvraid and hit enter. Type in your password if prompted, then run the check using e2fsck. Type in sudo space e2fsck space /div/vgraid/lvraid and hit enter. We can also create an SOS report. Type in sudo space SOS report and hit enter. The SOS report will be stored in /var/temp. We will take the defaults for the host name and we will just take the defaults for the case ID number. As well, SOS report makes a backup of your system configuration. Once the SOS report has been created, create a backup using the dump command. First, let's install it. Type in clear, type in sudo space yum space install space -y space dump. Once it's installed, run the dump command, type in clear and then type in sudo space dump space -0 uf space /home/lvraid _dump lvraid space dump space /div/vgraid and lvraid and hit enter. These all commands I already put in text file. You can copy and paste on your terminal. We can verify this by typing in ls space -l space /home/lvraid dump and hit enter. We can also dump the file system across the network to a remote host by piping it through SSH. To restore the image, we will want to have a fresh partition available. At this point, we create a partition on the drive and then format it. Since we are going to restore back to our lvraid logical volume, we will just skip the partitioning stage. Type in sudo space mkfs space ext4 space /div/vgraid/lvraid and hit enter. When it's done formatting, create a mount point at media/restore. Type in clear and then type in sudo space mkdir space /media/restore and hit enter. And then mount it up. Type in sudo space mount space /div/vgraid/lvraid space /media/restore and hit enter. Now cd to /media/restore. Type in cd space /media/restore and run the restore from here. Type in sudo space restore space -rf space /home/lvraid dump and hit enter. That's it, we done. We have restored our backed up file system.